Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about another string handling function, that isdigit. Fine. Inside the string, inside the string, there is a given as a digits and check it's a digit or not. If it is a digit, it returns you true. If it's not a digit, it returns you false. Let's check. There is a text called within double quote, and there is print. There is a text dot each digit. Fine. It returns you true, otherwise it returns you false. It returns you true. Fine. True means within the text there is a digits are present. If there is no digits, then it is not returns you false. If I added some here characters, I added some characters. So let's see. It's alphanumeric. That's why it returns you false. Okay. We need to remove these particular alphabets and then go into print it. It returns you true. Hope so you understand. Fine. If you have any doubt in this video, go through the comment box, type there. Please share this video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.